You were a strong runner at some point. You started strong, but you may be losing pace. Because even the strongest fall to their knees. Even the toughest find it hard to press on. When it's hard to focus on why you've begun, it becomes easier to quit. When you've run for so long, it's easy to lose track of where you should be heading. And you ask yourself, which way is forward? Which path leads to the finish? Why am I still running? Why am I still fighting? The answer you seek does not lie within the stumbles, nor the chaos, nor does it lie within the brief moments of victory. You find your answers in the very reason you started. Runners start with a finish line in mind. You started because you hoped for what lies ahead. You believed in the purpose God set for you. You believed that purpose would supply you enough strength to keep going. His word is a food that brings you life. Real satisfaction can be found in Jesus Christ. In this world full of confusion and chaos, the only thing you can be sure of is His unfailing love. Whether you're surrounded by your friends or you're alone, your private time with God is what matters most. His word brings you peace. When you find yourself out of breath, first, go back to why you began, and then look ahead. The horizon promises greater possibilities ahead, greater heights to overcome, vaster lands to conquer. That is why you move forward. Amidst the adversaries, you strive on, because your job isn't yet over. The fight has just begun. What has started was just a glimpse. What you are about to witness is the unfolding of a whole new story. There is more.